Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today is November 5th. Just wanted to let you know what's been going on with the latest updates in the bots we've been running. I said earlier today that I merged everything into one just because of the Binance. I was kind of abusing the tolerances of Binance trading quotas, so put everything into one bot. Anyways, these are the results so far. It's up and down. The win ratio can be as low as 45%. I've seen the lowest, and the highest I've seen is about 61%. And that's just due to the overall crypto markets, as well as we are getting a win ratio of 52%, and we have 117 coins to look at. So let me just pull this spreadsheet up, and let me just show you how it works. So I've shown this before. This is just from today's trading. One of the things we can learn from this is which ones are the most profitable. For instance, if we know that, let's say, there's ones that will trade at 100% right here. So that's the win ratio, and it's a 100%. You can see here, for instance, we have ZRX. That and again, this is all dependent upon market conditions and overall, just basically the performance of individual coins as well. So, for instance, we have ZRX and USDT, 5 positions at 100%. We also have this Aave at 2 positions at 100. And the thing to take away from that, and we can also measure out P&L. As well, but that's all dependent upon the coin itself, the value of it. So we can tell that this coin here, Aave, is possibly a good one. Now, again, that could change day to day based upon the performance of the overall market versus the overall performance of the individual coin. Now, also we have a new coin here called Near. So this traded 3 times today. I've not seen this before, and just want to also add that the bot is everything is 100% dynamic, meaning there's nothing static in the bot. And this is a new coin I'm not seen before, so you can imagine we're trading at 2/3 winning with this P&L here. We also have the CRV is another one, 3 out of 4 at 75%. We also have seen Ocean do quite well. That's been doing quite well since Saturday, 5 out of 8. So that gives us a 62.5% win ratio. Compound in here again is only 50%. So there's going to be certain coins. Again, Link is another one with 6 positions at 50% win. We also have SNX, which has been, I think, traded the most so far with a 41% win ratio. Actually, it's losing there. So you know, I could put some of these coins on a ban list, but just right now, I'm just gonna just individually for each day track everything. But I thought I'd put this out there. I'll make this available on my blog if you want. There's some other positions here. I believe Bitcoin should be in here as well somewhere, right here. So Bitcoin's losing to, Bitcoin's 0 for 3. Okay, Zcash again, that's 0 for 1. Dash also not doing too good. This used to be a good one. Theta, 0 for 1. Same with Maker. And again, it just depends upon the overall market. So it's good to suss out like what is good, but again, this always changes tomorrow in the next few hours as well. So I just thought I'd let you know and show it to you. We shall talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day.